How to install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.8. Now you can only use Quilt, Neoforge, or Fabric. You cannot use the vanilla game. So here I have a fresh install of Quilt. I've just now installed it. Now head over to your browser and make sure you have the latest Java downloaded, by the way. Then go to irisshaders.dev/download and click Download Universal Jar. I already have it downloaded here, but whatever. Open up this. And now the most common problem that people find themselves in is that this opens with WinRAR. What you want to do is just right click on it, go open with and Java. If Java doesn't appear here, make sure that you have the latest Java downloaded, or not, click choose another app and then search for Java in here. So let's go to open with Java. And now this is the important part as well. Installation directory. If you have the official Minecraft launcher, this should be the installation directory. However, many people don't use the official launcher. They use Legacy or T-Launcher or some other third-party launchers like I am. In that case, what you want to do is press the Windows key and the R at the same time. It'll open up this Run tab. Type in %appdata% and click OK. For me, it's T-Launcher here. Keep in mind that this isn't T-Launcher the virus, this is actually Legacy. So click on Legacy, Minecraft, Game, and simply just copy this path. What you want to do is double click here, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, then head over to the Iris installer, click the installation directory, in the folder name, paste the path that we copied and click open and simply install. Now you should see Iris reserved here, 1.21.8. Simply copy these two, go to mods and paste. From here, refresh the list, or if you don't have the refresh button, simply close the launcher and open it back up again. And then enter the game. The way you would check, go to options, go to video settings, and there you go. As you can see, this is how the video settings in Iris shaders look like. Now to actually download the shaders, well, that's the easy part. Simply click shader packs, open shader pack folder. I already have a couple of shaders here. And now let's open up creative mode. I'm using Silder's Enchanted default, so if you want to download those, simply type in Silder's shaders. So simply click download here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, click skip. Click download. Save. Then once it's downloaded, head over to the file location. And then here, go to shader packs. So again, click open shader pack folder. And then simply drag this into here. Oh, it's here. It's already updated. Let's click apply. Let's see what the new version is like. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.